Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you all how I style my hair if I'm actually doing something, because usually I pretty much just let it air dry and wear it curly. It's too much time. I don't have enough time. I mean, I do, but I just don't want to spend the time doing it. So first thing I'm gonna use is the Frizzy, I think it's Frizzy, the Blow Dry Perfection Heat Protectant Cream. There's no sulfates, no silicones, and no parabens. It's got rosehip, argan, coconut oils to smooth hair, enhances shine, tames frizz. There's heat protectant damage up to 425 degrees. There's an algae extract in it that strengthens the hair and helps prevent split ends caused by heat styling. This thing is just amazing. So I'm just gonna go in with just a little bit. And I'm gonna also put it on the outside of my hands, just because when you're rubbing your hands through, then every part of your hair is getting saturated. Go in and blow dry it, just like a normal. This is a really shitty blow dryer. It's missing a nozzle, so I can't get too close to my hair, or else it'll suck it right up. But I'm gonna blow dry my hair and I'll be right back. Now dry. I brushed it. I mean, if this was acceptable in society to walk around like this, then I probably would, but it's not. So, okay, next thing I'm gonna do is unplug this blow dryer. Oh my god, look crazy. So right here, I'm really quickly going over the root a couple times, and then I'm slowly sliding it down, and I do this all over my head so I don't have to put as much heat on the hair. I don't have to go over each strand as much. So I just wanted to separate the hair into like 2 sections, wait for the curler to get warm. So I'm just holding the curler with my hair, and when I let go, I kind of pull it a little bit because you want it to be loose, a nice loose wave. So go to the next little spot right here, and I'm gonna just curl it all the same way. I just want to let go, and you want to pull it. You don't want it to be tight, so just pull it. See, nice and loose. Nice and loose little wave. So we're gonna take this part here again. Do the same thing. Hold your finger on it. Check the heat. Once it gets too hot, just take it down. And you're gonna pull it again. Just keep checking, make sure it's not getting too hot. Here's the finished look. It's nice and curled. That is it for this. If you want to watch how I do my makeup with this, stay tuned for the next video. Thanks guys, bye.